Here's a 2017 Lexus NX. This is the crossover for any urban adventure, thanks to a turbocharged engine, aggressive exterior design, and an interior built around you. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, Scout GPS Link smart device navigation, Bluetooth, leather steering wheel, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its class best fuel economy, generous backseat room for the segment, impeccable cabin construction, and copious high-tech features. Lexus, performance in every detail. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.